You camera?
Camera woman.
Camera woman?
Yeah.
That's your name? I feel horrifically awkward now. Welcome to my channel. Yeah, this is good. I can talk to you, not the camera. So, what happened? Somebody joined my live stream and they said that... How did it start? Did they say I had no mates? We're talking about having friends in secondary school / high school, which I did not have many of, hence why I now make robots in my mum's attic, which is not my mum's attic, my mum's... You usually say mum's basement, but I went for mum's and then ended with attic, but it's not even my mum's attic, it's my attic.
Yeah.
Yeah, so my attic. The people that were talking to me were saying, did you not used to play the game when you used to throw chocolate in your mate's mouth at school? So I decided, if I didn't have mates in secondary school, I could use the skills that I developed due to a lack of friends in school to make myself something that would replicate a friend that I did have. Does that make sense now?
Yeah, sure.
Cool. So I thought I'll make a machine, a robot, contraption that will throw chocolate into my mouth. But that's called a slingshot. No. So I made a chocolate throwing catapult that has aimbot lock thing and it points at your face and shoots into your mouth. The little holder of the Malteser, the yeeter I've been referring to it as, holds the chocolate thing, Malteser, thank you, and it moves backwards and forwards dependent on how far it needs to go. The further back, the greater speed it should pick up as it goes, because it's moments. GCSE moments taught me that the further away something is, is that moment? You barely passed physics, so I'm asking the wrong person.
No,
yeah, it goes faster the further away from the centre it is. So that we want less distance, put it close towards the centre. The progress that's been made we've made the catapult on the turntable that spins and moves the box up and down depending on how far away it is. In the process, I got a clip of me dancing with said robot. Forgot. Might have to ram some screws. It's dancing with me. So essentially, this is a web server running on the white box just down here, and it allows me to control it from my computer. As you can see, this is me. It tracks my face and it goes backwards and forwards depending on how close I am. That is calculated through the facial detection. You see it puts a blue box around my face. It works out the width of that box. I've told it how wide that box should be in pixels from a meter away, so just some maths, works out how far away I am, and then moves the box on the rail, not the box around my face, accordingly to take that into consideration. I'm talking to all the wrong cameras. It's there, you're there. All that's left to do now, so have a servo that sits on the side here and will block this from being pulled up, and then have some rubber bands underneath that will provide some like tension against. One of these will just move out the way from blocking it and should release the tension and should theoretically really get some speed. Come here, I'll show you how to use the software. If you enable tracking, so tracking enabled. See now finds my face, and you see it found me, so it released this. So we're loaded on the elastic band on the front. We have Tesco's own chocolate pillows. Other brands are available for use with our product. Chocolate pillow in the holder. Press tracking enabled and it should yeet it towards me. I'm kind of scared. I don't know how fast this thing's going to come. Go for it. Oh no, why? What happened? It fell. Why did it flop? Right, we admit defeat. We will try again tomorrow. It's the next day, next night actually, after we've both woken up from a nap, at 11 at night, nice. So what's been done is I've printed a little bridge that should catch it as it goes and actually stop it. And the issue before was that it would come all the way around and lose a lot of speed, especially with this high ridged box. Okay, so can you turn on, firing enabled? Yeah.
Whoa!
It tried, but it didn't get much further. Right, so we try again tomorrow. Again tomorrow. Revision 3. It's the next day. I have printed, if I just show the camera, new mounts here because I snapped them by accident. And then this is now further back, so it should get caught at an earlier point. So, my girlfriend, I can't believe it, she says she has to go do real work or something today, and this isn't as important apparently. So it's just me, it's a one-man show. Let me load it up. The chocolate friend replacing throwing machine. So, firing enabled, which locks it. Are you locked? Oh, I need the elastic bands on as well, that helps. That's on. Okay. And then tracking enabled. So if you're anything like me, you'd be thinking that's a pretty excited reaction for the first shot from the robot to go straight in your mouth. Yeah, it would seem like quite an overreaction. I had been on that floor for an hour and a half having M&Ms thrown at me from a barely functioning robot. I do feel like I'll be finding M&Ms on my floor for the rest of my life now, and I never want to eat them again. I feel horrifically sick, especially because towards the end I was just finding them off the floor and putting them back on the machine. I went through a complete full bag of M&Ms. What did I learn from this project is another very good question. 1, moving the box back and forward probably did absolutely nothing, bearing in mind I had to sit underneath the machine for it to ever go in my mouth. Never attempt this again, it was a waste of time. Number 3, you'll realise there was no audio in the clip where I caught it. That is because my phone had died. After shooting for an hour and a half in 144 FPS, it used up a fair bit of memory. Here is a list of my Twitch subscribers. Thank you very much for helping me out with ideas, supporting the stream and sort of the channel, and just keeping me entertained while I made this absolute pile of garbage. Any more ideas in the comments below. If you enjoyed the video, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. If you liked it, if you didn't like it, hit the dislike button. What more can I say? Thank you for watching. All you gotta do is catch it. I haven't got the reaction times for this. No! 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 You're such an idiot! You're such an idiot!